Hey folks, thanks for joining us today. Today we're going to be making the Clarifying Grapefruit solid shampoo bars. And we're going to need some special equipment. So here we've got some gloves and some goggles and also a mask to put over my nose and mouth because there will be some small dust particles flying. And I start out first, of course, by putting my safety gear on. So I've got my mask on, I've got my goggles, and I've got my gloves. And then I start measuring out our powdered surfactants, also known as cleaners. And they're a little bit powdery, so the mask helps me to stop from inhaling that powder. Once I've finished measuring those out, I'll be able to add liquid that will be able to mix with them, and then it won't be so powdery and flying all over the place. We use a little bit of rice protein in this shampoo bar to help with giving strength to the hair, as well as some grapefruit essential oil and a little bit of color, not a ton, but a little bit of yellow mica just to give it a slightly yellow tint to it. And then I'm going to mix everything up with my hands. You can already see the dust flying, but that'll be done soon. I mix and mix and mix until everything is all mixed together and looking like a homogeneous paste. The reason we make our shampoo bars not the traditional cold process soap method is because shampoo and soap are actually a little bit different. Soap's a little bit more alkaline and our hair prefers something a little more acidic. Because it's so hard to achieve a balanced bar making it out of soap, we make it with these powdered cleansers that have a lower pH that will keep the hair happier. And that means that you don't have to use an acidic rinse afterwards. You may remember our apple cider vinegar shampoo bars. Those ones are definitely better with a rinse, whereas this bar doesn't require that at all. Now that I've got my shampoo dough, I'm going to start weighing it out to about 60 gram units. And then I use this little hand press to press each bar, and it gives me these cute little flower designs and also makes them a really handy shape that's comfortable to hold in the hand, and they're compact. They dry pretty hard. They'll last a really long time in the shower, and they're just super cute. So we like making them in this shape. These shampoo bars are going to lose a little bit of moisture through evaporation as they dry a little bit. And so at the end, they'll actually weigh closer to about 55 grams instead of 60. They are really concentrated, so since they dry nice and hard, they last typically a month or more in the shower, even if you're shampooing every day, or if there's a couple of people using them, you'll typically get about 50 washes out of one. People ask us all the time, what's the lather like? So this is what happened after I'd already washed my hands in the gloves once and just using the tiny bit of residual soap. This is the lather I got. And then I rinsed that off of my hands again, and I still got this much lather. So you definitely will get lots of lather. We love these shampoo bars. They are super handy for travel. They're compact. They're environmentally friendly. They're just great. So you can grab these now at tubbytabby.com. Thanks so much for watching today. Be sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this in the future.